Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to choose an ashwagandha supplement. First, identify your specific health goals to align with the right product. Next, prioritize supplements from reputable brands that provide third-party testing for purity and potency. Always check the ingredient list for any unwanted fillers or allergens. Finally, consult with a healthcare professional to determine the most suitable dosage for your individual needs. When selecting ashwagandha, consider the form. Root extracts are often favored for their comprehensive benefits, while leaf extracts may offer different properties. Potency is crucial. Look for standardized extracts like KSM-66 or Sensoril, which guarantee a specific percentage of active withanalydes. This ensures you're getting a consistent and effective dose every time you take it. Determining the right dosage is key. Many studies suggest an effective daily dose between 300 milligrams and 600 milligrams, often split into 2 servings. Some formulations include black pepper extract, which can significantly enhance the absorption of ashwagandha's beneficial compounds. Always begin with the lowest recommended dose and observe how your body responds before making any adjustments. Quality assurance is paramount. Always check for third-party testing to confirm the product's purity and ensure it's free from heavy metals or pesticides. Opt for organic and non-GMO certifications whenever possible to guarantee a cleaner supplement. Remember, consistency is vital for experiencing the full benefits of ashwagandha. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.